Today I will show you how to create a simple light sweep like this, or maybe like this. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you! It is very easy, just use CC light sweep. There's an anchor point here to direct where the lights will go. A lot of adjustment you can try on the lights, like the director, the width, intensity, and everything. This is the most interesting part. You can also change the light's color and its reception. Its reception has a different purpose depending on your needs. This is the final result for basic effect adjustment. Which one do you prefer? Or maybe which one do you need? Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!